Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 5, India's foreign trade. What is international trade? International trade means domestic production of certain goods may exceed their domestic consumption. What does a country do with its surplus output? It exports to other countries and earns money. Every country in the world exports certain goods and imports certain others. Export and imports of goods and services across different countries is called international trade. Following are the observation of international trade. International trade depend on specialization. Specialization means production of that goods whose cost is lower than other countries. International trade facilitates export of these goods whose price higher than in the domestic market, and it facilitates also import of those goods whose price is lower than in the domestic market. These are the gains of international trade, which increases the size of the market and it attracts foreign investors. Higher investment leads to higher GDP growth. India's foreign trade after independence. Under planned programs of development, India's foreign trade recorded a noticeable change in which we are going to discuss volume of foreign trade, composition of foreign trade and direction of foreign trade. Volume of foreign trade. Volume means value or quantity of export and imports of goods and services. After independence, percentage rise in foreign trade, while India's share declining in global market. It declined from 1.8 in 1950 to 0.5 in 1991. Due to economic reforms, it has been improved. India's share in export trade was 2.1% and import trade it was 2.6% in 2017, which can be changed because of economic reforms. Composition of foreign trade. Composition of trade means items or types of goods and services. Following observation highlighted. First, declining in percentage share of agriculture export. There has been a significant decline in percentage share of agriculture items in total exports. It happened because of that India start using its farm product as a raw material for its domestic industries, and due to increase in India's population has increases domestic consumption of farm products. Declining in percentage share of conventional item. Conventional item of India's export include jute, tea, food grains and minerals. These items constitute the bulk of India's export at the time of independence. But with the planned development programs, it plays domestic demand for the conventional item has increases. Accordingly, their share in total export has tended to fall. Next, increase in percentage share of manufactured goods. Percentage share of manufactured goods in total export has tended to rise. Presently, precious metal, machineries, vehicles are the notable export of India. It is showing significant sign of structural transformation from the primary sector to the secondary sector and tertiary sector. Direction of foreign trade. Direction of foreign trade means country to which a country export and import. It means where trade takes place. Presently, our major trading partners are UAE, China, USA, Switzerland, Singapore, Australia, Iran, Hong Kong, Korea, Indonesia, UK, Japan and Belgium. Earlier, UK and USA and Commonwealth countries was the leading partner of India's foreign trade, but now UAE has our leading partner. Now, share of different countries in India export. USA 15.9%, UAE 9.1, China 5.1, others 69.9. Share of different countries in India's import: China 13.7%, USA 16.9%, Saudi Arabia 5.6%, Switzerland 3.5%, others 70.3%. It is interesting to note that in the wake of globalization and free trade, Chinese goods have dominated the Indian market much more than the Indian goods in the Chinese market. Because of this reason, our planner had to adopt new economic policy in 1991.